If you want to create a Gmail ID in just a few minutes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, so even if you've never made a Google account before, you can follow along easily. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser on your phone or computer. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you already have installed. Once the browser opens, go to the Google Accounts page. You can simply type accounts.google.com into the address bar and press enter. When the page loads, look for the Create Account button and click it. Google will ask what kind of account you want to make. For most people, you'll want to choose For My Personal Use. This option is the one you need if you're creating a Gmail ID for everyday email, YouTube, Google Drive, or any personal use. Next, Google will ask you to enter your name. Type in your first name and last name carefully, then click Next. After that, you'll need to enter your birthday and gender. Make sure the details are accurate because Google may use this information for account recovery and age verification. Once everything is filled in, click Next again. Now comes the part where you create your Gmail address. Google may suggest a few options for you, or you can choose Create Your Own Gmail address if you want something more specific. Pick the email address you want and make sure it's available. If the name you want is already taken, try adding numbers or slight variations until you find one that works. After that, create a strong password for your account. It's always a good idea to use a password that's unique, secure, and easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Type it in, confirm it if needed, and then click Next. At this point, Google may ask you to verify your account using your phone. In some cases, you'll see a QR code on the screen. If that happens, take your phone, open the camera app, and scan the QR code. Tap the link that appears and follow the steps on your phone to complete the verification process. Depending on your device, Google may also ask for a phone number, recovery email, or a quick security check. Just follow the prompts carefully. These steps help protect your new Gmail account and make it easier to recover if you ever forget your password. Once you finish the verification steps, switch back to your device and continue. Google may show you a few final confirmation screens, such as agreeing to the terms of service or reviewing your account details. Read through them, then accept and continue. And that's it. Your Gmail ID is now created successfully. You can start using it right away to send emails, sign into Google services, and manage your account from one place. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.